Hey guys, Tom Parmentier, CEO and co-founder of MaxHousePrice here. And we just wanted to take a minute to introduce ourselves to you guys. The team didn't know that I was going to ask them to do this. So we're literally just doing this on the spot. So maybe Brian, could you kick us off by getting this party started on who you are, what your role is, how long you've been with MaxHousePrice, and what it is that you like about MaxHousePrice, why you like working here, just what you think about when it comes to MaxHousePrice.
Absolutely. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Brian Felder, co-founder of MaxHousePrice. So I'm Tom's assistant. I do his dry cleaning, I wash his car, I mow his lawn. I'm just kidding, you guys. I don't do any of that. I'd like to, and I would totally do it, but I have been with MaxHousePrice since inception. And originally, MaxHousePrice was all about how do we serve the agents, how do we serve our clients, and how do we go ahead and really make an impact in the marketplace and really empower the agents to really gain market share in their own markets. What we found is we can go even deeper and we can impact and change lives, sellers' lives, contractor lives, really agent lives, and help everybody create this win-win opportunity. What I would tell you the best thing about this team and why I'm so blessed to be part of it is we have an all-in, family first, very decisive type organization. So we are founded on our principles that allow us to work and lean into one another. And one thing I've loved about this team ever since we've started this company is that there is no one that says, that's not my job. I'm not going to do this. So I will tell you, it's almost like the Black Eyed Peas that Tom was about to break out into. Let's get it started. I'm telling you guys right now, let's go. I'm super pumped.
Brian,
Thanks.
who do you want to pass it to next?
I'm going to pass it to Dave.
Hey guys, I'm Dave Schroeder, Director of Construction, as Tom would say, the DOC. I've been in residential construction for about 35 years now. I've been with MaxHousePrice for a little over 2 years. The team, our ops team, handling all the construction from beginning to end. We love every bit of it. Love this company. Love the people we work with. The culture here is phenomenal. Like Brian said, there's no, that's not my job. Oh, that's not my responsibility. We all, come together to help each other out and help the agents and the clients, get the renovations done on their home and get that house on the market. I will pass it on to Zach.
I'm Zach Martin, the project manager of MaxHousePrice for about 1.5 years now. And the thing I like most about MaxHousePrice is that we really operate as a full team. And I think what we do best compared to other companies is communicate. So I'll pass it to Natasha.
I am Natasha Morris, and I'm the design consultant and title coordinator for MaxHousePrice. I have been with the company for 2 years, and I'm coming from a background of residential real estate and for about 20 years or 20 plus years. And what I like most about this team is the fact that it really is a team. It's not just a label of a team and then everyone's doing their own thing. We really do work together, and it is challenging and hard work as it is. It's also very fun. Like we know how to make our days enjoyable and give our clients an enjoyable experience when they're sometimes going through some very tough transitions, and renovation can be very challenging, especially when the home's occupied. So I think we do a really good job of making sure the client is taken care of, and that we're all like creating good experiences for our clients. And I will pass it to Rhonda.
Thanks, Natasha. I'm Rhonda Freeman. I'm the sales manager with MaxHousePrice, and I've been with the company about 2 years. Just to echo what everybody else has already said, I really enjoy the care and culture that this team provides. We all show a lot of care and concern for each other and our clients. So it's a fun atmosphere, like Natasha said, and just looking forward to serving all of our clients in the coming years. And I appreciate the business that we've had so far. So thank you. I'm going to pass it to Kristen.
Hi, my name is Kristen Harlow, and I work in the accounts receivable. I have been with Max House since the very beginning, so it's nice to see how the company is growing over the years and all the great employees that we have. It's a pleasure to work with. I'll pass it to Nicole.
Hi, I'm Nicole Parmentier, and I am our connections manager here at MaxHousePrice. If it's the first time you're calling in, you're most likely going to be talking to me. I handle getting, appointments set and helping either clients or agents answer initial questions and then get them on the schedule so that the team can come out. And I also help with, recruiting new contractors and just kind of behind the scenes admin stuff in addition as well. I have been with MHP since the beginning, behind the scenes, and then officially joined the team, I don't even know, a couple years ago, but was helping Tom when we just first got started with, anything that he needed. And I love to see, just like Kristen said, seeing it from the beginning and seeing the growth and changes and everything that the whole team works together to always be molding and changing to make a better process and make that easy, like Natasha was saying, the easy transition for people going through, so many different things. So I just love that we're always here to step up and make the process even better than it already is. So I can't wait to see where we go in 2023.
Awesome. So did anyone know that I was going to make you guys do this morning? So I appreciate your guys' participation. Yeah, I just wanted to have the team shoot this video to share to prospective employees, prospective, Brian, I was just noticed this is my coffee mug. So if you're thinking, man, I want to join this company, there's your sign. And just prospective clients, just to see some faces of who we are. When I think about what I like about MaxHousePrice the most, it's the team. You heard everyone say the culture. We're a virtual company, so I'm super proud of the culture that we've developed. Culture is not food and ping pong tables, and culture is your team and your communication. And we have a fantastic culture here, the best team I've ever been a part of in my professional career. And I had a mentor once tell me, how do you make people more accountable? I just have these employees, but they're not accountable. And the answer is you don't. You just hire accountable people. And that's what I love about this team, is that every single person here is highly accountable. Nobody has to, I think Dave or someone said, oh, you don't have to worry about, no, this isn't my job. People understand our mission and our vision and our core values, and they adhere to them. So it gives a lot of freedom, and we're really excited about what 2023 has in store. So if you are interested in hearing more about us, estimate, employee, go to the website, or you can give us a call, and we look forward to chatting with you. Thank you so much.
Thanks.